Hi, and welcome to Data Structures and Algorithms by Program Guru. Given an array of elements, our task is to find the maximum and minimum elements in this array. This is an unsorted array. In this array, the maximum value is 60 and the minimum value is 10. In this video, we will learn the steps to find the maximum and minimum values in a given array. Now let's quickly go over the steps we will follow in the algorithm. First, we take two variables, one to store the maximum value and another to store the minimum value. Both are initialized to the first element of the array. Then we start iterating from the second element to the last element. In each iteration, we compare the current element with the existing maximum value and minimum value. If the current element is greater than the maximum value, we update the maximum. If the current element is smaller than the minimum, we update the minimum. By the end of the loop, the maximum variable holds the largest element, and the minimum variable holds the smallest element in the array. It's a simple but very important basic technique. So let's get started with the step-by-step visualization of the algorithm for the given array. The given array contains the numbers 30, 20, 40, 10, 60, and 50. Max underscore value, to keep track of the largest number seen so far. Min underscore value, to track the smallest number encountered during iteration. Initialize the maximum value with the first element of the array, which is 30. Initialize the minimum value with the first element of the array, which is also 30. Start the loop from index 1. Current element at index 1 is 20. Check if current element 20 is greater than maximum value 30. Not this time. So we leave the maximum value unchanged. Check if current element 20 is less than minimum value 30. That's true. The current value is less than the minimum value. We update the minimum value to 20. I increments to 2. Current element at index 2 is 40. Check if current element 40 is greater than maximum value 30. That's true. The current value is greater than maximum value. We update the maximum value to 40. Check if current element 40 is less than minimum value 20. Not this time. So we leave the minimum value unchanged. I increments to 3. Current element at index 3 is 10. Check if current element 10 is greater than maximum value 40. Not this time. So we leave the maximum value unchanged. Check if current element 10 is less than minimum value 20. That's true. The current value is less than the minimum value. We update the minimum value to 10. I increments to 4. Current element at index 4 is 60. Check if current element 60 is greater than maximum value 40. That's true. The current value is greater than maximum value. We update the maximum value to 60. Check if current element 60 is less than minimum value 10. Not this time. So we leave the minimum value unchanged. I increments to 5. Current element at index 5 is 50. Check if current element 50 is greater than maximum value 60. Not this time. So we leave the maximum value unchanged. Check if current element 50 is less than minimum value 10. Not this time. So we leave the minimum value unchanged. I increments to 6. We've reached the end of the loop. All done. The largest number in the array is 60, and the smallest is 10. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to find the maximum and minimum elements in an array using a simple and efficient approach. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Program Guru for more tutorials on data structures and algorithms. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in the next video.